Good evening to everyone. Today it is a great news for all girls who are who are now the girls can now give the RIMC entrance. So see the what is the notification given by the RIMC official notification. This is the official notification given by the RIMC today to the Secretary Education Public Instructions all the state government UT administrations 2 copies. Okay. What is subject qualifying examination for admission of girls, very important, qualifying examination for admission of girls students to the Rashtriya Indian Military College Dehradun for the term July 2022. Okay, those who are now studying in class 7, they can apply the RIMC entrance which is held on 18th December 2021. Okay, they can go for if they are qualified the RIMC entrance, they can admission during the term July 2022. Okay, let's see the details. Okay, refer order of Honorable Supreme Court of India on writ petition 1416 by 2020 connected with WP so and so number 524 by 21 dated 7th October. Okay, the RIMC entrance examination for admission to class 8 for girl students in the Rashtriya Indian Military College Dehradun for the July 2022 term will be held at the specified center within the country on 18th December 2021. Okay, the candidate will examine in the following subjects. The as it is, the boys also given the same exam and the girls also as it is pattern. First paper is the English written paper, that is 125 marks. In all 4 examinations there will be a 50% marks should be secured, so they can be qualified for further interview and medical test. Okay, English written paper 125, mathematics 200, general knowledge 75, Viva is 50, total 450. Okay, see, the girl student of central government employees can undertake their exam and viva voice at the place of posting of employee domicile state. However, their candidature will be considered from their original domicile state. Therefore, it is mandated to get the application deposited in the same state where the exam has to be undertaken. Very important. The interviews will be held for only those candidates who qualify the written examination. During the examination they should be at least 50% in all subjects. They can be qualified for interview. The list will be sent to the respective state government by RIMC after approval from ARTRAC. It is mandatory for all the selected students, including candidates from All India Reserve Merit List, if selected, to join RIMC within 10 days on receipt of the joining instruction. Joining instruction will be sent to email ID as mentioned in application form by the candidates. Result will be uploaded on RIMC website. Candidates are responsible to regularly check the website for latest status update. The examination in mathematics 9:30 to 11 on 18th December, general knowledge is 12 to 1 and English is 2:30 to 4:30 shall be conducted on 18th December Saturday in the respective state capitals. Okay, the interview dates will be intimated later. Mathematics and general knowledge papers may be answered either in Hindi or in English. The examination will be held simultaneously for all candidates whether they answer the question paper in Hindi or English. Minimum pass marks in each paper including viva, I hope it is a viva, will be 50%, and if the candidate fails to secure 50% marks in any paper, she will be declared ineligible for admission. The selection of the candidate will be purely on merit. Understood? Next, 1 minute. Okay, see, what is the age criteria for RIMC? Girls are eligible to apply for admission to the RIMC Dehradun. This is the first batch of girls Okay, this is the first batch of girls, those who are admitted into RIMC. It is a very great news for all the girls. Okay, it is very important news for all the girls, those who are aspirants about the defense. Okay, girls are eligible to apply for admission to RIMC Dehradun. The candidate should either be studying in class 7 or past class 7 from any recognized school at the time of admission to the RIMC. That is on 1st July 2022. That means those who are now studying in class 6th, they can also give. Okay, they should not less than 11 and hours. It is very important. They should not less than 11 and half years in age and should not have attained the age of 13 years as on 1st July 2022. This is very important criteria. They should not be both earlier than 2nd July 2019 and not later than 1st January 2011. In between these dates, they are eligible to give the examination of RIMC. The applicant should be informed that no application for change in the date of birth from the original given by them would be entertained later by the college authorities. What are the documents required for application? Applications are submitted in duplicate. The document which are required to attach with application form are as under. Number 1, birth certificate, domicile certificate of the candidate, SC/ST certificate where applicable, a certificate from the principal of the current school in which the student is studying with photograph attested stating the date of birth. Okay, if anyone any doubts about the RIMC entrance and the detailed information about the RIMC, please drop a message in the comment section so I can help and I can solve their doubts. Okay, so next, photocopy of Aadhaar, both sides is mandatory requirement, failing which the application will be rejected. 2 passport size photographs. Okay, application forms, very important, note this one. Application form should reach the respective state government as given in guidelines to admission by the 15th November. How to get the applications is very important. Those who are new for RIMC examination, they can apply by they can they first they go for the RIMC site and then they can be obtain the application form by online. Okay, by getting online, or they can prepare a DD and send to the Dehradun address, RIMC address, and they can be get either in online or offline. Okay, only the candidate finally selected after the Viva Voice will undergo medical examination at selected military hospitals, and only the candidates found medically fit will be considered for selection, and admission to the RIMC candidate should not consider themselves selected until joining to this effect to issued and call up notices are sent them by the college authorities. State and UTs, what are the instructions given to states and UTs? It is requested that necessary arrangement may please be made for holding the examination in the state and the name of the officers nominated for conducting the examination with telephone, fax numbers and email address, and demand of question papers may be communicated to the commandant RIMC Dehradun by 20th November. Okay, advocate publicity may please be given regarding the examination in the local newspaper at least twice or thrice through press release before 20th October. Application forms may be obtained by the candidates. Only the requirement for girls through online payment for RIMC web portal. Application forms may be obtained by the candidates. Only the requirement for girls through online payment. Only online payment they can get the application form by. Okay, answer books in respect of the candidates along with the application forms may be please be forwarded at the end of the examination. At the end of the examination in a sealed cover to the commandant RIMC. Procedure to obtain application form. The prospect cum application forms and booklet of old question papers can be obtained from the RIMC. Okay, by the following way. Online payment. The prospect cum application form and booklet of old question papers can be also be obtained by making online payment rupees 600 for general candidates, 555 for SC/ST candidates on RIMC website. Okay. On receipt of the payment, the prospect cum application form and booklet of old question paper will be dispatched by speed post only. Note: the application form issued by RIMC once only shall be valid. Application form locally printed, photocopied and without RIMC hologram shall not be accepted. No refund of the application fee. Next instruction is, what are the instruction next? The Viva Voice test will be conducted by the state government for only those candidates who have qualified in the written examination on the likely date which will be intimated later. The candidate will be informed of result of written examination result possible by first week of March 2022. The Constitution of Selection Board is briefly mentioned in para 8 of regulation governing RIMC. Chief Secretary to the government, in case of the state government so desires, any other secretary of the state government nominated by him. 2 military officers. Okay, 2 military officers. One of them should not be below the rank of lieutenant colonel or equivalent from Air Force or Navy. These officers will be detailed as far as possible from the nearest military station, and all expenses of TA, DA, etc. will be borne by the government of India. The state director of public institution, director of education are the some senior officers nominated by him, where practicable a member of the state public service commission. The result of Viva Voice must be sent in a sealed envelope to the commandant RIMC Dehradun immediately after the conduct of Viva Voice. Also, the same must be conveyed by fax and email the same day. The fax number of RIMC is so and so and the email ID is so and so. Under no circumstances any candidate, parents, guardians, relatives or friends be permitted to approach any officer in the service headquarters or any other person concerned with the selection of candidates. Any attempt to do so is liable to entail rejection of the candidate. A copy of the press note issued in this connection is enclosed for information. You are requested to publish the press release given with the notification. Please note the under mentioned dates. Press note by ARTRAC to publish before 15th October. Press note by state government to be published before 20th October. Last date for acceptance of application for girls only 15th November. Very important. Conduct of written exam for boys and girls both on 18th December. Conduct of Viva Voice of only those candidates who qualify. The written exam date will be intimated later. The receipt of the letter may kindly be acknowledged. This is the instruction. Okay, the detailed instructions. This is the notification. This is notification. See, these are the application. What are the, who are the eligibility? We are already discussed. Entry age, education qualification, scheme of examination. Okay, already we have discussed medical examination, examination centers, fee. What are the fees? In the RIMC, procedure to obtain application already discussed. Last date also discussed. The application forms should be submitted to the TSPSC in Telangana. They can forward the TSPSC. Other than the respective state, their public service commission, they should be. The detailed instructions are given in the booklet forms. You don't need any confusion. Okay. Next, this is in the Hindi. I hope this is in Hindi. Okay, this is the notification in Hindi. You can see the details. Okay, I can share this one also in the telegram channel. You don't worry about this one. Okay, this is in Hindi. Okay, see, same, but this is in Hindi. Okay. So once again it is a great news for all the girls, those who are interested to join defense services. It is a great opportunity and this is a very good decision taken by the RIMC. That is, the girls also admitted now in RIMC college. Okay, and in upcoming, and I hope in the upcoming RMS also they can give the admission for girls. Already in the Sainik school it is continuing since last 2 years. Okay, it is a great news. Now the RIMC will also provide the admissions to the girls. This is from the July 2022 batch. The examination is held on 18th December for this examination. Boys and girls, they can give the examination at a time. Okay, I hope you can understand the notification. It is very important notification issued by the RIMC today, and I hope if you liked my videos, please like, share and subscribe, so that so many defense aspirant they can apply the examination. And if you have any doubts, please comment on the comment, so that I can clear your doubts, and I can help in this exam, how to prepare the examination, how to crack the examination, and if any difficulty in giving examination, I can solve all the problems, as my son also is giving the RIMC examination. Okay, thank you very much. One second.